Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech on Tech channel. In this video, I show how to block someone from commenting on Instagram. So stay with me until the end of video. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Step 1. Open your Instagram account, click your profile, click setting and activity, and click comment options. After comment, click options, click block comments from people, okay? Any new comments from people you blocked want to visible to anyone but them. Okay, click blocked comments and search people. For example, for example, so you can click and this right ID according to your personal opinion and it will be blocked. For example, block, 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 block. This is my block people. Very easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tech on Tech.